In this video, I'll show you how to screen record on a Chromebook with the keyboard. Firstly, locate the screenshot key on your Chromebook's keyboard. It is found in the function row and has a camera icon printed on it. Press the screen record icon in the screen recording toolbar to switch to screen recording mode. You can choose from these screen recording options: record full screen, record partial screen, or record window. A brief countdown will be displayed before the screen recording begins. By default, your microphone will not be turned on. To enable it, select Settings and then Record Microphone. To end the recording session, select the Stop Screen Recording icon found in the Chrome OS text bar. And that's it, guys. That's how you screen record on a Chromebook. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.